Copperhead collection. That was actually a happy accident. I was using copper foil and I was laying it out and creating a copper surface, and in one of the corners a little piece of wood chip got underneath it, and when I rolled the whole copper out, that little chip telegraphed right through. You could see the edges of the chip. Wow, if this copper will telegraph that precisely and that beautifully, what if I took an old piece of barn board that had all this character and I applied it to that, and the character of the barn would telegraph through the copper? So this flaw, this mistake that I made in the beginning with this wood chip created one of the most dynamic and exciting lines that I've ever designed, the Copperhead collection.